Hi everybody, this is my other location, which is Mama Made Thai. It's mainly a Thai street food. Our top sellers, pretty much as everyone knows, pad Thai and spicy basil noodle. And we do have delicious curry, and we also sell curry sauces for you to take home. So we're located inside Liberty Public Market in Point Loma. Everyone, please come out and support the locals, and we take precautions of all the situation that is happening right now. So you can be assured that you have clean, healthy, delicious food all year round. And you can also go to our delivery services, which is Uber Eats, Postmates, and Grubhub. If you don't want to come in, then you can order online as well. Come in and support.